Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you tired of missing out on leads because of delayed responses? In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated responses in GoHighLevel to engage your clients immediately. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Automations tab on the left-hand side. Next, click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Now, click Add New Trigger. This is what will start your automation. For client inquiries, choose Form Submitted or New Lead and click Save Trigger, depending on how your clients are reaching out. This ensures the automation starts right when someone contacts you. Next, add an action. For this, select Send Email or Send SMS, whichever suits your business, and click Save Action. Craft a simple professional message, thanking them for reaching out and letting them know you'll follow up soon. Finally, save and activate the workflow. Now, every time a new inquiry comes in, GoHighLevel will automatically send your message immediately, keeping your leads engaged. And there you have it. Looking to simplify your workflow and take control of your lead management? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial. And be sure to schedule your kickoff call to get started smoothly. You'll find all the links in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.